Unfinished garage floors show the signs of time's toll, with cracks and pitting revealing wear and tear. Our expert restoration ensures lasting quality and unwavering strength.
Hey, this is Jim with Garage Store, and we're here highlighting one of our jobs because this particular floor is in pretty bad shape. There's a lot of pitting, some spalling, a lot of cracks. So we wanted to kind of showcase this and explain what the guys are doing and how the process works. So let's check it out. All right, so here we are. We filled the joints. Now we're putting down a moisture mitigation primer with a little bit of sand slurry to fill all the voids. So if you notice, all the voids are now getting filled with this liquid and sand. All right, so here we are wrapping up the prep of this concrete garage floor. You can see we put down the moisture mitigation primer, we broadcasted some sand to help fill the voids, and that's about it. We'll let this cure overnight and come back the next day, resurface it, and then apply our coating. Here we are with the finished product, and I'm really excited because we did a lot here. You saw all the prep, you saw the flake system, you saw how we top coated. So let me talk about a little detail here. So you can see this area that sticks out past the garage door. We refer to this as the apron. We saw cut the front edge to make it nice and clean against the asphalt, and then we coat down the face, the front of the concrete here. It's important because you want to seal that front edge. That'll help prevent moisture and water getting up underneath that concrete, which can cause the floor to fail. You also saw how we filled the control joints. You can see you don't see them anymore. If you look across the floor, they're not apparent. They can be depending on temperature because it's a flexible material in that joint. But we also slurried and repaired all the pitting. So now we have a floor that's even, 99% better than it was before. Typically in most garages, there will be a concrete footer. In this garage, the panels go all the way down to the floor, but we also coat the concrete verticals as well. Thanks for watching our process and the video we made here. If you're interested in having a garage makeover and your garage looking like this, give us a call, 847-428-8862, or just contact us through our website, garage-store.com.